In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Zoom from opening on startup. If Zoom launches automatically every time you turn on your computer, it can slow down your startup process and add one more app you have to close before getting to work. The good news is that this is very easy to change, and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open Zoom. Once the app is on screen, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings. A settings window will appear. Inside the settings window, make sure General is selected in the left-hand panel. If it isn't already selected, go ahead and click it. Then scroll down until you find the Zoom Workplace app section. In that area, you'll see an option called Auto Start Zoom Workplace. To stop Zoom from opening automatically when your computer starts, simply turn that toggle off. For many people, this setting is all you need. It tells Zoom not to launch itself at startup, and that usually solves the problem right away. If you're using Windows, there's also another place where startup behavior can be controlled, and it's a good idea to check there too. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. This opens Task Manager. Give it a moment to load if needed. Once Task Manager is open, click Startup Apps in the left-hand panel. This section shows programs that are allowed to run automatically when Windows starts. Find Zoom in the list. When you see it, right-click on Zoom and choose Disable. This second step is especially useful if Zoom still appears at startup even after changing the setting inside the app. Disabling it in Task Manager adds an extra layer of control from the Windows side. After making these changes, you can close both Zoom settings and Task Manager. The next time you restart your computer, Zoom should no longer open automatically. That's all there is to it. By turning off Auto Start in Zoom and, if needed, disabling Zoom in Windows startup apps, you can keep your startup cleaner and make your computer feel a little less cluttered right from the beginning. If you want, you can still open Zoom manually anytime you need it, but now it won't jump in before you're ready.